Your fence might look fine now, but the weather's been working on it, day after day. And that damage? It stacks up fast. Sunlight dries out wood, fades stain, and can cause serious warping over time. Even vinyl fences aren't safe. They fade and turn brittle under constant UV exposure. Rain and humidity cause swelling, rot, and even mold, especially near the base. And for metal fences, it's a recipe for rust that spreads fast if ignored. High winds do more than shake things up. They loosen panels, shift posts, and over time, weaken the whole structure. One good gust could take it all down. Snow and ice cause expanding and contracting, cracking boards, shifting posts, even damaging concrete footings. You might not see it right away, but spring reveals the damage. Small issues build over time. That one crack, it turns into a warped board. A little rust, suddenly your hardware's failing. Weather damage is slow, but relentless. Check your fence at least twice a year. Look for loose posts, cracks, rust, or signs of rot. Catching small problems early prevents big repairs later. A weekend of upkeep can add years to your fence. Clean, seal, and tighten what you can, and you'll save money in the long run. Need help? Call Caan Fence Inc. at 781-767-3596 or visit caanfenceinc.com for a free inspection. Thanks for watching. Take care of your fence and it'll take care of your home.